Let's take a look at number 10. We got y is equal to x, and y is equal to x to the third. And it says sketch a region bounded by the graphs of the equations and determine the area of the region. Well, if I graph these, I'm going to press my y equals, clear, I'll put x here, and then down arrow to y2, and I'll put x to the third there. Then I'll do zoom, and I'll choose 6 for Z standard, like that. And I can't really see it very well there, but if I do a zoom, and I choose zoom in, number 2, and press enter one time, I get this. Now, the fact that this is an odd function, and we're trying to find the area, determine the area of the region, can't have negative area, and the fact it's an odd function, we can just go from 0 to whatever value this is, and then double it by symmetry. So let's find our point of intersection. So we'll set x is equal to x to the third. Take the x over, we get x to the third minus x. Factor an x out, that gives us x squared minus 1, that's GCF. And then this becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1. Difference two squares. Set each factor equal to 0. And we get x is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 1, and x is equal to positive 1. We could have probably guessed that by looking at it, but again, to find the area, we're going to take double from 0 to 1. So we'll look at it from 0 to 1 here, and then once we get this, we're doubling it, because that'll give us this also. Okay. Now our graph that's on top over here is looks like the straight line. So I'm going to have x here minus, and then the graph that's below is x to the third, and then dx. Actually, I'm ready to take the integral. There we go. So, add 1 to my power, divide by my new power. Add 1 to my power, divide by my new power. Now, it won't do us any good to plug 0 in, because 0 squared is 0, times half is 0, 0 to the fourth is 0, times 1/4 is 0. So we'll just plug the 1 in. So we got 1/2 times 1 squared minus 1/4 times 1 to the fourth. Of course, 1 to any power is 1, so that's going to come out really nice. So we got 2 times 1/2 minus 1/4. Now I can multiply the 2 through, make it a little bit simpler. 2 times 1/2 is 1. 2 times negative 1/4 is negative 1/2. This is a mixed number. We take 1 times 2 is 2, plus a negative 1 gives us 1. So we get 1/2. And that would be our answer. And let me save the page. There we go. And stop the recorder.